salary of 12 lakhs, right? So the next set of colleges are called category A. I am not even going into that. I am showing you, or I am giving you only the top 70 B schools. Creme de la creme, category A++, and category A+. If you study from any of these 70 B schools, you will have a brilliant future ahead, right? What I'll do is, after this webinar, I will send you a recording of this along with our prospectus. Our prospectus has complete information about the top 100 B schools, exam structure, when do they happen, syllabus and everything. Okay. So you can go through that in detail. Don't worry. Now, for us to understand about the tests, we need to know the concept of percentile. Do you guys know what a percentile is? Ramesh, that is salary per year, annual salary. What is the percentile? Percentile is nothing but percentage of students who appeared for the test and have scored less than you. Okay. So it's not rank exactly. For example, let's say there are 240,000 students who have appeared for CAT. Okay. And I have got a 99 percentile, which means 99% of 240,000 students are behind you. So if 99% of the students are behind me, can I say it means that I am in the top 1%? I am in the top 1%, which means I am in the top 2,400 students. Another example, if I have got 85 percentile, it means that 85% of the students who appeared for CAT have scored less than me, they are behind me. So I am in the top 15%, which means I am among the top 36,000 students. Is it clear? Now, since we said CAT is a very important exam, let us quickly understand some important details about CAT. Now, if you look at CAT last year, the test had 76 questions. Can you guys excuse me for a minute, please? Just 1 minute. I'm very sorry, guys. There was some urgent call. So, Ramesh, I'll come to that question. So, last year, if you look at CAT, there were 76 questions. Okay. And each question had 3 marks. So, which means, can you tell me how much is the paper for? 76 questions, 3 marks each. For how many marks is the paper? $228 marks. Very good, Ramesh. So can you guys tell me, to get out of 228 marks, how many marks are required to score a 99 percentile? Can you guess? 228 marks lo 99 percentile రావాలి అంటే ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేయాలి? గెస్ చేయండి. Okay. Come on, guys. Guess. How many marks do you think are required to score 99 percentile? Okay. Okay. Now I will show you the statistics of last year. Do you see this? For 99 percentile, how many marks are required? Or how many marks last year gave a 99 percentile out of 228? 1 or 2 marks, which is 45% of the maximum marks. Surprising, isn't it? Not even half the score. For 228 marks, I don't even have to score 50%. If I score 45% of the marks, I have got 99 percentile. So why is it like that? Is because the exam is very logical in nature. CAT is not an exam of speed. CAT is not an exam where they want you to attempt or score 90%, 95% of the marks. CAT is an exam of smartness. They want to see whether you have the ability to identify the right questions and answer within the 2 hours that are there. So it is not only important for you to know which question to answer, it is also necessary for you to know which question not to answer. Okay? Now, if we look at the selection process and timelines usually, these are the various exams that I say, that apart from CAT, these are the exams that we need to target for if we want to get into the top B schools, right? So CAT happens in November, IAFT in December, SNAP in January and December, ZAT in January, TISNET in January, etc., etc., etc. NMAT is an interesting exam because it happens from October to December. It happens for 3 months every day, and you can appear for the test a maximum of 3 times. And of course, you'll have to pay the fees also 3 times. Now, if you look at the differences, now though there are so many exams, the distinguishing factors are in 2 many. Meaning, all the tests have quant, verbal, DI, LR. This is, constant in all the exams. But every exam has different difficulty level, different number of questions from each section, etc. Right? So if you prepare for CAT, in fact, the course that is offered by IMS as well for CAT coaching, though for namesake we call it as CAT coaching, if you look at the material we give, the classes we conduct, the mock tests we offer, they are not only for CAT, but for all these exams that you are seeing on the screen. And just as an idea for you, this is the test pattern. This is the test pattern. Last year, of course, these patterns are subject to change every year. So we cannot be sure whether it is the same next year, but the modifications will be slightly small. So you can take a screenshot of it if you want, just for your idea. Now, as we discussed, what are the skills required to crack CAT? Every exam has these three sections. Language skills, which is nothing but verbal ability and reading comprehension. And these are the areas that you will be tested on: reading comprehension, jumbled paragraphs, short sentence, paragraph summary, grammar, vocabulary, and critical reasoning. And then we have data interpretation and logical reasoning. These are the different or important topics that are tested in all these management admission tests. And then quantitative aptitude is essentially the maths you have learned till your 10th standard. Maths you have learned till your 10th standard. Intermediate maths, higher maths is not asked in any of these exams. Okay. Now let's quickly see. I'll just take 5 minutes to explain about the program we offer for CAT, and then I will answer any of the questions. Okay. Now, the program that we offer is called Catapult Extensive. One second. Now, this program is a complete online live program. All the classes will happen just like this session. నేను ఎలా అయితే ఈ సెషన్ తీసుకుంటున్నానో from the last 1 hour, the online classes also happen in the same manner, where you will have an option to interact with the faculty either on chat or via audio. Now, let me take you through the different components of this program. Now, how is our program designed? As I said, IMS has been training students from past 44 years. So based on our experience, we understand that there are 3 steps to prepare for CAT. One is for students to move from 0 to 75 percentile, or by building a strong foundation of concepts. A student can move from 0 to 75 percentile. Second, by practicing the right material in the right manner, a student can move from 75 to 95 percentile. And third, by identifying the right strategy of how to attempt an exam, by taking certain number of mock tests, a student can move from 95 to 100 percentile. This is where most of you make mistakes, right? You get influenced by what you read on internet, on Quora, because on Quora there is some student who says, I have taken 40 mock tests last year for 3 months and I scored a 99 percentile. Danto manam em chestam, we also follow the same. Or I have heard from one of my seniors that I prepare from Arun Sharma material. I read Arun Sharma books. I took time mocks or I took IMS mocks and I scored 99 percentile. Now, please do understand, you are not the same person as the one next to you. Everyone has different skill. Everyone has different ability. You need to know what your ability is, and accordingly you need to prepare. The solution is not same for everyone. And mock tests alone will not help. You need to build your foundation, and the order of preparation has to be correct. You cannot start taking mock tests and then go and prepare on the concepts. You first prepare the concepts, learn the concepts, build a strong foundation of concepts, then do the right practice so that you can develop on the concepts and then start taking the mock tests. So the ideal preparation timeline, this is how it should be. So from now till next June, for the next 9 months, your entire focus should be on concepts. And from June to October, it should be on practice. And from October, November, it should be purely on mock tests. Of course, you will start taking the mock test from June itself, but from June, you will be practicing and taking the mock tests in parallel. From October, once your practice is over, October and November, last 2 months, it's completely mock tests, right? What is this? So learn the concepts, practice questions, and take tests. Now, these are the 3 phases of preparation. How is our course designed? to help you in these three phases. One, in the Learn module, we conduct 130 plus concept classes. We train you from scratch. We train you from zero level, and we conduct these classes to help you build a strong foundation of concepts. And apart from the class, before the class and after the class, there is a lot of preparation that you need to do. To help you prepare before the class and practice after the class, you have 50 hours of concept videos and 3000 plus topic-wise questions. In the practice module, you have 15 maximizer workshops. These are practice sessions that will help you know how to utilize the concepts you have learned to solve the questions you come across in the test, right? And there are 1600 plus area-wise questions and past CAT papers that will help you for practice. And in the test, you have proctored SimCATs, online SimCATs, and sectional tests. Now, this is the general preparation. However, as I said, every student has different problems. Every student has different requirement. So, when the requirements are not same, the solution also cannot be same. In our program, apart from training for CAT, we also provide mentorship. So every student who joins for the course will have a mentor allotted. So మీరు ఒకసారి course join అయిన తర్వాత there will be a mentor allotted to you. Suppose if I am the mentor allotted, I will conduct one-on-one sessions for each of you at regular intervals of the course, where I will help you understand the exams you need to target, the colleges you need to aim for, the percentile that you need to plan for. How do you create a customized study plan? Are you strong or weak in math, English, reasoning? Then how do you prepare for it? And what you want to do after MBA? So how do you build your profile over the next 1 year? All these aspects, we give you one-on-one guidance. And like one of you were asking, right? I think Aishwarya asked me at the beginning. Now, if someone without a prior knowledge can get into MBA in finance, I said yes. But also I said you need to have some idea so that at the interview stage, you can give them confidence that you know what you are doing. So in order to help you guys get a better idea of what MBA is all about and how the top B schools are, we do these value add sessions as you see on the screen. Future U series is where we bring in people who have done MBA and people who are working in industry, and they give guidance to all our students who are preparing with us for CAT about that particular job role. So if someone is working as an IT consultant, so what is an IT consultant about? What do they do? What companies are top companies? How is going to be the career? And what are the skills required? These are all is covered in these sessions. And I know there is so much that we do. I have said that IMS does that, IMS does that and all. But it is also important for us to help you get a sample of it. So we offer a program called CAT at zero fees. Yes, you heard it right. It is a zero fee program. We don't charge anything. All that you have to do is to register using this link that you see on the screen. And you will get a trial version of our CAT program for free. A trial version, not the complete version, of course. And in this trial version, what all access you will get? You will get access to concept videos, 300 plus questions. You will get 3 lectures, recording of live lectures, sectional test, full length mocks, 8 plus hours of career mentorship sessions, like the Future U, B School Insider, etc. that I have mentioned about. So you will get a sample of our entire program. So the entire CAT program that we have, 10% of that is given to you for free. So you can experience it. And then if you are confident that, yes, this is the place where I can achieve my goal, then you can join us for the paid program. Even for the paid program, we offer a 50% discount for all students who come from any campus of RGUKT. Now, RGUKT, we have a very strong association and relation with all RGUKTs across AP and Telangana. Every year, I have students from different RGUKTs who study with us and go to good B schools. In fact, from RGUKT Nuzuweed, I have Mr. Jay Bhaskar, who has done his MBA from IIM Bangalore, and he is currently working with Indian Oil Corporation. Then I have Mr. Madan Neelgar, who is also from RGUKT Nuzuweed. He has done his MBA from IIM Raipur. Then, just last year, CAT 20, I have a student called Aravinda. Aravinda has studied from RGUKT RK Valley, and this student has joined FMS. FMS is Faculty of Management Studies, which is the MBA department of University of Delhi, considered to be one of the top 5 B schools in India. IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, XLRI, FMS. These are the top 5 B schools in India. So she joined FMS. So like this, we have students who are coming to us every year from RGUKTs, and we offer a special discount of 50% to students who come from any of the RGUKTs. So for your convenience, I am just typing in this. This is the link. If you want to enroll for that zero fee, you click on that link. It will take 10 seconds to register. You will get an email with login ID, password, and the link. And then you can explore all the features that I have shown you on the screen. So that's all from me. So these are my contact details. So in case if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one and get some guidance on your planning and all, you can call this particular number. That is my number. If you want to know about the course details, fee structure, etc., you can call on this number. Ramesh, I will mail you by today evening the recording link of this video. All right. Now, before I answer your questions, there is one question I would like to answer, because see, I've been interacting with RGUKT students from quite some time. As I said, every year. Even last month we have done, 2 weeks ago we have done a webinar for RGUKT RK Valley. Last month we have done a webinar for RGUKT Basar, and we are in the process of doing a webinar for RGUKT Srikakulam. So I notice that most of the most of the students have a concern about the fees of the B schools, right? About the fees of the B schools, because even IIMs charge around 15 lakhs for 2 years, but you don't have to worry at all. If you get an admission into any of the top 70 B schools, you will get an education loan simply based on the admission, nothing else. You get an admission from that college, the bank will give you an education loan with no other details required. And you can start repaying the loan after you complete your MBA and get a job. Second, there are scholarships offered by certain B schools as well as central government as well, right? So anyways, if you have more doubts about this particular thing, you can talk to me individually and I'll help you with the required details. Programming, directly has no relation to MBA, Ramesh. Okay. So, all right, guys. So that's all from my end. I'm sorry I have taken 15 minutes extra than allotted. Asif, your graduate, your academic scores are